Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you get GPT-4 access for much cheaper. So let's get right into it. So guys, uh, instead of going over to the chat GPT-4 which is much pricier, you should go ahead and try this website nat.dev. This is basically a playground that allows you to use chat GPT-4 for much cheaper. So as you can see, it will cost you $5 in credits instead of going over and buying it for $20 a month on ChatGPT. On here, not.dev, it is much cheaper, and you can access it by using this interface right here. It is basically like ChatGPT and utilizes ChatGPT 4 technology. So as you can see, guys, it usually is free. It was free weeks ago, but the developer decided to go on over and charge for it. But it is okay, guys, because it is cheaper than ChatGPT Plus here. So okay, guys, that is how you can do that. All you have to do is make an account here for free and verify your code here on your SMS. So okay, guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.